Literally first time pumping gas on this thing. It's super empty. First time driving it, it's actually quite zippy. I am so shocked how good this car sounds. You can hear the turbo whirl, even though the turbo is the size of like a golf ball. And then how many gallons do you think this takes? I'm gonna guess it's like 8 gallons. Oh, not even close. 5.8 freaking gallons is full tank. That's so crazy. Oh, and the AC actually works on this car, so I'm quite impressed because I thought it wasn't going to work. I got my spare tire right here, CD changer. You guys remember the CD changers back in the day? And then the seat. I mean, the only thing messed up about the seat is this area right here, which I can actually steam and fix that. But dude, getting in here is a complete a-hole of a time. But the car was actually shipped spotless. No dents, nothing. Everything on this car is fiberglass anyway, so I could just fix it. But $30 to fill your car? Gucci.